Hello and welcome to Templum Est. My name is Nives and today I would like to talk about reaching our full potential. You know how I often say, be a queen, reign over your life, over your queendom. And when I say that, I'm not necessarily talking about anything glamorous or fancy. What I'm talking about, it's about your own queendom. Because I believe everyone should create their own kingdom, a place where they can rule, but also nurture their qualities, grow, thrive, and strive to reach their full potential. Because within each of us lies this power to reign over our lives with confidence and purpose. So let's build our queendoms. Let's do it together and let's step in our greatness. But I often hear people say, I don't have time. They don't have time for themselves. They don't have time for rest. They even feel guilty about taking time for themselves. But the truth is, we always find time for what truly matters to us. Just observe little children. They're a great example. They seize even the smallest moment to play and to fully immerse themselves into it. Even 5 minutes. And this observation leads me to the conclusion that it's our mindset that often prevents us from making time for the things we truly want to do. And that's why the School of Quantum Living, launching this October, begins with a focus on my time. Because if we want to reach our full potential, we must first make the time for ourselves, and we must practice and improve the areas of our life that are important to us. And when it comes to reaching our full potential, then self-belief and consistency are the key. And this is why I am inviting you to join me in a 28-day challenge. Choose one activity to do every day for 28 days, no excuses. Consider picking some physical activity. A physical activity, maybe physical exercise that not only improves your body but also engages your mind, so you don't get bored halfway through it. Like maybe dancing or yoga or any activity that you enjoy. The goal is to keep yourself motivated and you also learning throughout. And after 28 days, you will notice how you are more confident. Your discipline will improve. And who knows, maybe you like it and you decide to use this technique for some other area of your life. Remember, queens, this is about your queendom. It's about nurturing your qualities, growing, thriving, and truly stepping into your greatness. So, are you ready to claim your throne? I thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, or maybe share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Let's build our queendoms together. And maybe you would like to join us in a Facebook group, Intuition and Success, and be a part of our community. That is all from me for now. I thank you for being here, for joining me today, and bye for now.